So the next one is resistance. The opposite of support is resistance. Okay, before we move on to resistance, let's look at um our module. Okay, so all these are called what? Market structure. Okay, now let's look at it. We have talking about support and resistance. Please, these informations here, these details are very important. You understand? Now look at it. We have a support level, support. The bottom part are what? Support. Can you see them? Support. So when you zoom, you should be able to see it properly. Okay, now let's move on to resistance. You understand? Now let's go to our chart to see how resistance levels are formed. Now, sorry, I want to clear off my charts. You know, this is what I actually use to explain. If you want to clean up, just click this. Remember the beginners, we did all of this before. Then I will click the basket to clean it up. So my charts, I'll go back to my chart now. So my chart is now clean. Now let's go to resistance. So resistance level, you can also find it in any of the time frame. If you likewise the support level too. Now let me explain resistance to you. You know, if you are seated, right, and the ceiling of your house is not that tall, you understand? When you want to stand up, your head now hits the ceiling. You understand? It's resisting you from standing up, right? That is resistance level. Now, resistance is up. Support is down. Support is your chair. You sat on a chair, and the chair is what? Supporting you, right? That is support. This is support. Now, the upper part is resistance. Now, let me um point them out. This is a resistance level. Now look at it. This price is going up. It got here and came down. Stand. So it has formed. This is a resistance level. This is a resistance level. All those ones are resistance. Upper highs are resistance. You understand? So resistance. Now look at this. Here is a resistance. Here is a resistance. So, but price came up, you understand? It came down to and form a support. It came up and broke this resistance upward. So I now form another resistance again. Look at it. It formed highs. When prices are forming highs, it's forming resistance level. Now, price now came down, formed support. It went up and broke this resistance. You understand? So it broke this resistance upward. You understand? So you will see how to trade with resistance and support later on. But just know and understand the concept first. This is resistance level. You understand? So this is resistance level. Understand? So price came or down, it went up. So it formed a resistance level. It now took a U-turn. You understand? It's like we are still trading this GBP USD. So it's going to probably by tomorrow, price will break this resistance level and shoot up. You understand? It will break this resistance level and shoot up. Let's check if we have another resistance level for a trending a bearish market. Now look at the resistance. You see, it has formed a high. You understand? So this is a resistance level. You understand? So this is a resistance level here. So price came and touched the resistance level and pushed it down. Can you see? Price is trying to rise up. It met with this level. Can you see the line and push it down? Understand? That is resistance level. Also, all those ones are what? They are all resistance levels in the market. The upper part are resistance level. You understand? There is a resistance level here too. You understand? Look at it. Resistance level. See, it's resistance level. You understand? So these are resistance level, upper part. You understand? The reason why these levels are formed is that the higher time frame, when you go to the higher time frame, you will see the levels. Can you see it? Now, sorry. Can you see this is a resistance level? When price now came down, it now got to this place, so it couldn't push up. So this level, you understand? These highs is stopping price from what going up. You understand? But price can always break through a resistance level, and it can when so there are times that when it gets to resistance level, it forms. Can you see there is a pin bar that is formed because there is a resistance, strong resistance level here. So this pin bar candle was formed. So you should know that price will be bearish. Can you see? It's now on a sell down. All right. Hope you understand resistance level. All right. Thank you. H.